Hey everybody, it's Robert, and today I have some components to share with you that have come from the factory. Production on the Silver River is moving along nicely, and it is still on schedule, knock on wood. Um, but here is the first thing I want to show you is the TradeStation tokens. So these are plastic tokens that come in the deluxe edition. So if you've upgraded to that deluxe edition with the expansion, you will get 20 of these TradeStation tokens. And these plastic tokens, there's going to be 5 different sets of them, and they're going to come in different colors, like the player colors. So this is gray, but you'll have yellow and green and blue and red and white to go with each player color, 4 of each, so 20 total. So that's the TradeStations. Then we have the fleet tokens. So the fleet tokens are also plastic, and they're these round discs with the different type of fleet ship on top, and the bottom is flat. So the bottom is where stickers will be placed. The deluxe edition will also come with round stickers labeled 1 to 4 for each player, and they'll go on the bottom. So, I know some people would like to see ships that don't have these discs. They wanted to see kind of more, I guess, ships like are in Twilight Imperium, but there's a reason we did this because there's secret information. So they're designed in such a way where they go flat on the table, and you can easily flip them over to see the fleet number on the bottom. If it wasn't flat like that, it would be more difficult, uh, to ensure that they stay in the correct orientation on the table. And then, printing the numbers, we couldn't really use stickers then. We would have to put an indent and actually have it as part of the 3D model. And then that can be very hard to see, right? And there's a whole host of issues with doing it that way. So, I know some people have mentioned that they would rather see more traditional minis like the monster minis for the ships, but this is a decision we made for functional reasons. So the ship tokens are going to be like this. And again, these are gray, but these will come in 5 different colors if you've backed the deluxe edition. If you just got the standard edition, you're going to get tokens, cardboard tokens for both the TradeStations and the fleet tokens. You'll still get those cardboard tokens in the deluxe edition, but you'll also get different color sets of these plastic ones, right? So that's those. So far so good. We're happy with those. The custom die has come, so this is good. Very simple, right? It's just a white 6-sided die with a circle and 3 triangles, and then it's got 2 squares. That tells you if you hit or not based on your fleet upgrade level. So very happy with this. The dice, it feels really good. It's a fine quality. So you'll get 12 of these in the game. And then finally, we've got our different player color cubes. The clear one is for the white player. That comes in the deluxe edition. You'll get an added 5th player if you upgrade it to the deluxe edition. If not, you'll get just these 4. So there's, the clear, the red, the green, the yellow, and the blue. Now you'll notice that, some of these are opaque, some of these are transparent, right? And the colors are, especially the green, is a little different than you might be used to. And that's for colorblind players. So I'm going to show you now the difference, how a colorblind player would see these colors so you can understand why these colors are the way they are and why some are opaque and why some are transparent. I know it's going to be inevitable. Somebody's going to make a comment somewhere that they don't like the opaque and transparent mix, or they don't like the color choices or whatever. But there's a very good reason here. As you can see, when a colorblind player looks at these colors, they're still going to be able to differentiate which cube belongs to which player. And that's very important because there's going to be a lot of cubes on the board during the game, and you've got to be able to identify which ones are yours, right? So this is how they look. And so that's it. These are, important components. I've given the approval on these, so these are going to be done. And then the die is going to be done, and the tokens minis are going to be done. And then the monsters, of course, have already been approved. So these are being manufactured now as we speak. So we're moving right along. So hopefully we'll get some more stuff here from the factory. We're looking for the proofs of the printed components, and I'll share those with you. And we're gonna have this game out hopefully on schedule. So far so good. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Bye.